Hey, what's going on, guys? Thanks for clicking on the video and tuning in once again. Today we're gonna be installing my camber kit on the R6 because I did get a package in the mail today, and let's go ahead and see what it is. As you can see, it is a box from SPC for Performance, and it's the front and rear camber kits for my 2006 Acura R6. I'm gonna be getting the camber kits for these wide ass freaking wheels I'm gonna be running. I believe they're 18 by 10 and a half. Yeah, 18 by 10 and a half. And these are the wheels right here. Let me go ahead and show you guys what they look like. So as you can see, they are pretty freaking wide. So that's why I'm gonna be needing this camber kit on the car. So without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and get to it. Alright, so I already went ahead and started by just taking off the tires. Obviously, I got it all jacked up. I do have the jacks there, just for extra protection, and also the tires. So yeah, I went ahead all the way around and took all the tires off. It is jacked up. So I'm seeing with this jack right here, I have it there just for protection, extra safety. Can never be too cautious. Do that tire under there, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I know the front is just obviously that bolt, but I want to go ahead and start with the back because that's gonna obviously take longer, so I'm gonna knock that out first. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the rear, and I'll just pick back up once I got one on or I got both rears on. We'll see. Wish me luck. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and start on the passenger side. I'm gonna just go ahead and start by taking it out and extending and adjusting these to be the same exact length as the stock ones, and then just shortening. My bad. Shortening. I can't even fucking talk right now, bro. I'm gonna start by just shortening the adjustable ones little by little, and then we'll go on from there. So also, and sorry if the audio is bad. It is freaking windy, as you can tell from the ornaments. This Cali weather is freaking weird, so yeah. But I'm gonna go ahead and just jump right into it. Let's get it. Alright, so I already went in ahead and adjusted the SPC camber arm to about the same height or length, if you want to call it length or height, whatever, as the stock camber arm. But it looks like I might just leave it, or have to readjust this one back to the way they came. Get this out here, because honestly it looks like that might be where I want to be. Maybe, we'll see, who knows. I might have to just adjust it maybe a little bit longer, but you can see they're not far off, like not that much far off. So you can see that's just the difference. But I'm gonna go ahead and I might just install this one right here and see how they look. I'm gonna install them to this length right here, see how they look. If I have to adjust them, that's fine. I could just adjust them from right here. So all I gotta do is take out one bolt and adjust them from right there. So let's go ahead and get that on. All right, so you can see I already got the passenger side on. I just need to do a bolt check real quick and just make sure all the bolts are tight before I can go ahead and put the wheel on. And I will be putting on these rims. And then so yeah, and I already got the driver's side on as well. I did use a jack to help me push this up, since I'm doing it by myself. It's kind of hard to push it up and put the bolt in by yourself. So I did have the jack there, jacking it up just to get it into place. But you can see I got the bolt and everything already on. Just need to do a bolt check on this side as well, and it should be good to get the tire thrown on and see how it looks. If I have to adjust, make adjustments, and yeah. So I'll pick back up once I make more progress. All right, guys. So it is currently the next day. I didn't exactly finish last night. I ran out of daylight. I did finish the back, but I wanted to finish the whole thing before I showed you guys the final outcome. I am a little disappointed I wasn't able to use excuse me, I wasn't able to use my wheels back there. They're a little too wide and they rub on the inside if I have too much camber, and the amount of camber that I want, these wheels are too wide. So I'm gonna be either selling or trading them. I already have a trade lined up for this weekend on Saturday. So excuse me guys, sorry. So hopefully it does go through and hopefully I get those wheels, because I do think they are gonna look sick on this car. But here is how it looks right now with the camber the way it is. So you can't really tell that much on the front, but I'm sure you could tell on the back. And on the back, I do have spacers on the back on both sides, because the amount of camber I have right now, without spacers, they would have been rubbing. So let's see. So yeah, I don't know. You can see, I don't know if you can see the spacer right here. You can see the size it is right there. But yeah, I do have a spacer on it on both sides. But that's how it's currently sitting right now. On both sides, they do have both spacers. Oh shit, my bad. On both sides, because they were rubbing on the. Oh, it's probably too dark down here. Oh, that's cool. Get you guys up in there. You're not gonna be able to see, but you can see right there. They just have enough clearance right where the rim hits. But yeah, if I didn't have that spacer right here, they would be hitting on the inner wheel well, and that's not good, because obviously you can't fucking move it like that. I might have to adjust this one, because this one kind of looks like it's kind of facing out a little bit. I'm not too sure. You guys let me know what you guys think, if it looks like it's facing out or in. I would want it facing in, but I don't know, for some reason this like it's kind of facing out. So I might have to adjust that when I get the new wheels. But overall, this is how it looks. And as you can tell, this is just a little bit, obviously, because it's just that one bolt. But the back is tremendously cambered out. You can see that. And yeah, I'm just a little disappointed because I was not able to use these wheels, but it's all good. Like I said, I already have a trade lined up for this weekend, so hopefully it goes through and I get these wheels so I can put them on this weekend and finish up this car already, man. Like, I'm almost just about done. The motor is done, as you guys already know. If you guys, let me see, get my keys. But yeah, the motor is already done, you guys. I just need, here we are. I just need to like get the tags, the smog, the tune, and I need to get like the ride height adjusted. But to get the ride height adjusted, I need to get the wheels I want on there first, because there's no point of getting an alignment and doing all the other jazz if I'm gonna just be adjusting and messing with the suspension, because then I'm gonna need another alignment again. So, alright guys. So I want to get it all dialed in, wheel wise, camber wise, before I get in alignment, because I don't want to have to go get an alignment again. But yeah, we most likely are gonna. I'm going for the stance look. If you can't already tell with my fucking camber kit, how much camber it is. So yeah, I need, once I get that going, I still do need to get my A-Spec lip kit. My A-Spec lip kit painted. I I just need to get the mini deck lid painted, and then touch up a few spots like right here. I'm gonna touch up a few spots like right there. It's black, right there, black from the paint chip. Then like right here on my rear lip, right here as well. You can see right there, just a few other spots, but for the most part, the car is ready to go, ready to hit the streets, and yeah. So just want to say thank you guys for watching the video, clicking on the channel, clicking the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.